guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're brand new to my channel. Today I am co-hosting a challenge with my good friend Sandra from the Shwowin's Nest. She has a channel full of DIYs and also owns an Etsy shop, so make sure you go check her out. I will have her link down below to her channel. Today's challenge that we are hosting is called Trash to Treasure, and what we want you to do is to find a piece, whether it's at a thrift store, secondhand store, garage sale, marketplace, Kijiji, really any place that has second-hand items, and whether it's a piece of furniture or something as small as a tray. The size and the cost doesn't matter. What we want you to do is to make this piece your own, to do something to it that will make it your own to fit your style and your decor in your home. So there are several simple rules. So first rule is we want you to mention my channel, Sonia at Domestic Diva 76, and Sandra's channel, The Shwowin's Nest, in your introduction and in your video. And we also want you to link our channels down in your description box, as well as the playlist for this challenge, which will be available the posting day, the day of the posting date. And the date of the posting your videos is May 7th at 7 a.m. and that is when I will have the playlist available as well. So the second rule is show us before and after of the piece. We really want to see what you have done to it, and that's it. Those are the few very simple rules. So I hope you can join us. I hope you can find a piece and make it your own and share it with us. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much.